What's up, guys? Welcome to your Autobiography book summary vault. Let's jump into today's read.
A Diplomat in Japan book summary by Ernest Mason Satow, sir. This book tells the story of Ernest Mason Satow's time as a British diplomat in Japan during the late 19th century. Satow arrived in Japan when the country was just opening up to the world after centuries of isolation. His experiences reveal a fascinating mix of political change, cultural clashes, and personal challenges. Satow first landed in Japan in 1862 as part of the British Legation. At that time, Japan was ruled by the Tokugawa shogunate, but tensions were rising between traditional forces and those pushing for modernization. Satow quickly found himself in the middle of this turmoil. He witnessed key events like the Namamugi Incident, where British subjects were attacked by samurai, which nearly sparked a war between Britain and Japan. As Satow gained trust among Japanese officials, he played an important role during the Meiji Restoration. This was when power shifted from the shogun to Emperor Meiji, marking a huge turning point in Japan's history. Satow helped negotiate treaties and advised on diplomatic matters while adapting to rapid changes around him. He also learned Japanese and studied local customs to build stronger relationships. One memorable moment came when Satow accompanied Japanese leaders on visits abroad. He saw firsthand how they absorbed Western ideas about government, military, and education. Back in Tokyo, he navigated delicate situations like disputes over trade rights and extraterritoriality, where foreigners were not subject to Japanese law. These issues tested his skills as a mediator. Satow's writings describe vivid scenes, formal tea ceremonies, tense negotiations with samurai representatives, and casual conversations with rising politicians eager to modernize their country. He also faced personal hardships such as illness and isolation from home but remained dedicated to his mission. Toward the end of his career in Japan, Satow witnessed the country's transformation into a modern state ready to join global affairs. His work helped lay foundations for lasting diplomatic relations between Britain and Japan. This book offers detailed accounts of historical events through Satow's eyes as both an observer and participant. It captures moments when old traditions met new ideas head-on, showing how diplomacy often meant balancing respect for culture with advancing national interests. If you enjoy stories about real people living through big changes or want to learn about Japan's opening to the West from someone who was there, this book is worth checking out. Supporting authors like Ernest Mason Satow by buying their books helps keep these important stories alive. Feel free to share your thoughts on the summary or recommend other books about history or diplomacy you'd like covered next.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more stories and insights.